with none other than a teacher from San Francisco Elementary School, Ma'am Giselle May P. Alcos. A round of applause, please.
Okay pa ba ang tanan? We're here na po to our 5 days na, no? So, katunga na, gamay-gamay na rin ulan. Ay, kabala ka kayo, sayon ra kayo niya mong copy.
Ma'am, what are you working? Working on? Okay, so you are group? Wow, Pachara.
Problem solving.
Okay, go.
Langion, Pagsanahon. Group. Now these are the strategies in math. Project-based learning, collective group work, technology, integration, thematic, art and play-based learning, activity-based learning, and learning stations. That's all. Because I'm very time conscious.
Okay, kuhaan din microphone. Dili, nice, nice. No! Nice, nice. Cute, cute, cute.
Strategies in teaching mathematics. Number 1 is problem solving. Real-world connections, lead-based activities, learn with hands-on experience, and technology integration or ICT. That's all. Thank you.
We have here the strategies in math that we use every day.
Wow!
Okay, so we have think, pair, share, collaborative learning, pick and tell, brainstorming, jigsaw puzzle, carousel, and draw and tell. Thank you.
Group ng Farmers Club. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Show. What is this, class? Box. Or a shoe bag. So, what is the shape? Sa inyo na ang pinta pa siya na. What is the shape of a shoe bag? Okay, rectangle. Ngayon, a rectangle. So, a picture na ngayon. A rectangle is a two-dimensional shape. So, ipaila-ila na ito nga. Ang rectangle na ay two-dimensional shape. Ngayon, ang shape of the two dimensions include kani, square, ang C, height. Okay, so kung ingana siya, so ipakita natin sa bata nga kani dahil siya, mali siya wave, dahil kani siya mo'y height. So, ingana na sa developmental progression. Kanang pinaka-basic lang nga klase na to. So, read the problem, everybody.
Linda is preparing for her sister's birthday. She ordered 10 round balloons and 15 animal-shaped balloons. How many balloons does she have in all?
Okay, so kanin siya ka lesson for grade 3 na siguro ni siya mga kay grade 2. For grade 2, unang sa mabasa ang teacher sa problem, dayon ay ang bata. So for grade 3 kung reader sa tanan, pwede na sila na mo ipabasa. Okay. When we hear the word birthday or balloons, what comes in our mind? Birthday. Na ay balloons. Unsa
Celebration.
Okay, there is a
Celebration.
celebration. Okay, kinsa man diri naka-try na nag-birthday nga na ay balloons? Wala. Pobre man ni ma'am. Oy, kinsa man na ay gihandaan diri og gibuhatan ay gitaga-balon sa mama? Wala.
Kaluoy.
Okay. Absent ra gyud. Ayun, sunod. Unsa na po ang sunod ng balloons? Unsay shape?
Animal shape.
Animal shape. Sorry na. Okay, I have here animal shape balloons. Who can count? Ma'am Dorling?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, again, bilang ka animal shape balloons?
15.
Do you want to have this animal shape balloons in your birthday?
Yes.
Sabihan niyo yung mama niyo, bilhan kayo. Okay. What? Ay, who's on pa din na? Sorry. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Ilan na to sunod? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Kabuok, ma'am. Ako na naman. Yay! Okay. Class that represent numbers. Okay. Kanisha, ang tawag ani class, this is a single bar. So this represent 10. Okay? Ako i-count kung 10 bal. Okay, everybody, let us count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So, again, ang tawag ani single bars na nagpapila. Unsa man number yung gi-represent? 10. So, kung makita na to ni siya, dili na ta mag-count. Diretso na tayo. Butaw sa itong mind na kani siya.
10.
Okay, how about this small square? Kani, unsa man yung gi-represent amin?
1.
So, makakita tayo gingon ani 1 na siya. How about kung tulo ni siya nabutang? Pila man?
3.
Okay, so pag Kaya na din ang mas stress. Sa pagkain na dyan siya. Muling ko na lang po. Ang lang siya.
Pineapples did Anna bring? How many pineapples did Anna bring? Anybody?
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 ma'am.
Correct. And to prove that it is correct, I have here shapes. There are 4 shapes na nakalagay. So, what is the shape of this? Circle. It is circle. Does the circle has a sides, Margie? Okay. Do you agree, darling?
No, ma'am.
Yes. It has no shape, no corner or sides. Is it big or small? Big. Martes? In my opinion, it's small, Mom. How about you? The same. The same. Okay. Next time, I will bring a big circle.
A rectangle because there are 2 sides the same. Kanina rin, same sila, nga mugo, and the other sides are also long.